This video is intended to show Excel's drag and drop capabilities. For instance, we have to work up a certain amount of calories or a certain amount of servings in the various food categories. We would do so by just taking cottage cheese and dragging it into the breakfast. And there we have one serving. We would take 1 egg, 3 grams of meat, which is fist size, 1 egg powder, for example, and then we've got 5 servings. If I want to take the cottage cheese out, I would, for instance, double click it and our servings go to 4. It's the same with anything else. I can drag and drop things anywhere, easily making up a menu. Until eventually we have all our required servings.